Day. It's a day off in Germany and in Austria, I know as well, and maybe in a couple of other European countries as well. And yeah, it's a really calm and quiet day here in my office because I'm literally alone here in this whole complete center of technology here. And okay, I must confess, I enjoy it too. That's really really quiet this morning. Okay, let me start with my routine. So we share this Zoom meeting on YouTube as well. So if you want to follow, you have a button on your right corner of your YouTube video. There you can subscribe this channel, then you will never miss an episode. We would appreciate it a lot if you would give us a like, if you say, okay, this show is not that bad. So, and if you have any comments to give us or to share, or if you have any ideas or any wishes what we should talk about in the next sessions, then you will find a commentary field below that show that video, and you can leave your comment there. Most important thing for me is that you are here with me every morning, because, you know, this is a humanity. This is a human show. Morning briefing show is a human show from humans for humans. And this is really important. And I want to say thanks, Anna, to open the show this morning and for your consistently support with this strange guy from Bavaria in Germany. Wonderful. Good morning. So I hope you're doing good, guys, and you had a great start into that trading day and this business day. And I want to share now my screen with you too. Here we go. Yeah, I must see what I can do here, because, guys, it's unbelievable. I have my screen back. It's unbelievable. I have 4 screens right now. And what does ceremony celebrate? It's called Fronleichnam. I don't know what's the English word for that is. It's a senseless day off, in my opinion. So, however, and here we go. Great. I'm so glad I have my 4th screen back. I ordered a new one, by the way, now I can fix all that stuff again, and I'm really happy. Now I can check this chart again. Isn't that cool, right? Okay, so on YouTube as well, Carl, good morning. Don, wonderful, good morning. Barry, Mihai, wonderful, good morning on YouTube. So I'm really happy to have all of you here in this show. So the leading topic of today is, how will Bank of England affect GBP USD? And very, very important, stay until the end of this show, because I have a very, very important question for you prepared, because this is really, really important for me, because we want to go a step further together. Yeah. It's Corpus Christi. So thanks, Carl. Okay. Whatever does it means. That's the word, Corpus Christi celebration day in Germany. Okay, so let's go. And we start with, of course, the formula. You know, success, guys, is not a formula. It's not a fantasy. It's a formula. And we have this hit quote. And again, let me bring this in your mind. What does it mean, this hit quote? That's very important. Don't mix it with about the result of the trade. Yeah, that's really important. So the hit quote means, if we have this signal, we have a valid trend. You know, that's the rules. Valid trend, a young trend, in the correction, at least rule 1 and 3, the most important, in the correction, and then we have the signal by any kind of reversal patterns, bullish, bearish, engulfing, reversal bar, or you work with Heiken Ashi, then it's a balanced candle. Yeah, then it means, attention, guys, it means that the price will go above, or if you go short, below the last point 2. Doesn't matter which time frame, doesn't matter which trend size, the big one, the medium, whatever you trade. If this signal occurs, or if the rules occur, that's the backtest, goes back 142 years, 1879. Charles Dow figured it out. That's a human behavior, buying cheap and selling expensive. That does it mean hit quote 72% that we have a close above the last high, or if you go short, low. It says nothing about the result of a trade. Don't mix it. It's just that you have this hit quote, that you have a close above the last high or low. The rest about the result of the trade is depending of two completely different topics or issues. First one, are you able to cut the possible loss? Or maybe if you're able to take partial trades, partial purchase, partial profits maybe, yeah? Because you don't know what happens after that close. Maybe the price will come back and will break the trend, or maybe it will come back and will go again up. So how you can handle this situation? This is called cut the possible loss and make a re-entry as long as the rules still fit. Or the other one, if you are able, human part, strong enough, if you are able to let winners run as long as they will run on the right side of your chart. This is the most important thing, not the hit quote. Hit quote is just what could happen, probability, you know, and that's the point, yeah? And that's the 4 rules. A valid trend is needed. What is a valid trend? Movement, correction, movement. That's a valid trend, yeah? Point 2, point 2, point 3. That's a valid trend. And then in the first valid correction, we can think about an entry, yeah? Not here, because at that point, you don't know if this will be a trend or not, yeah? Then it should be a young trend. We should trade out of the correction, at least 38, use Fibonacci, 100%, 0% there, and then wait for a rebound in this correction zone, yeah? At the best, use Heikin Ashi. Then you see a balanced candle. A balanced candle is really clear. You have a small body exactly in the middle of this candle with shadows. They must be equally on the upper and lower side and must as double as the body. Yeah, then it's a correct and proper balanced candle. And then you can make an entry above, long or short. No market. Never limit. Just market and limit means I want. But the market doesn't know you guys. So always work with a stop sell or a stop buy order, okay? Just not for me, do it for you and your account. Believe me, it's the best thing you can do. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, then send it to live trading. We opened a real email account just only for your questions. Or maybe you want to make a video where you introduce yourself and ask your question, and we can show it in the show, and send it to livetrading@admiralmarkets.com. Now, if you think you want to follow me, then Instagram daytrader, it's daytrader70, or maybe the newest baby, it's on twitch.tv DowHowTrader. It's free of charge, a live trading room the entire day. Okay, so then we can close this. And first of all, let's see, have a look at the upcoming events today. So International Trade Australia is done already. Today will come out Eurozone Service PMI at 10. UK come up at 10:30 with the CIPS Market Service PMI, and this afternoon 2:15 the ADP Employment Report as a kind of prediction forward outlook to the real numbers today. And by the way, tomorrow, I have forgotten to say this, tomorrow, Friday, the US employment report comes out. Okay, so we are day traders in Dow Jones as well, so we should be aware of that we don't have to trade there when they will come out with their numbers. Okay, so then time to show our charts here. Okay, so I guess you can see that right now. So, okay, let's start with our running trades. Still Australian dollar, Swiss franc, as you know, our final target is still the point of control. And there is basically no obstacle on my way down to the point of control. At this little bit higher volume zone, here, this one, we take partial profits at the point of high, and then we are safe. The purple line means that's my called soft stop. It's a normal, ordinary horizontal line, which means if I will have a close above, then I will trail my hard stop. Yeah, this is smart trading. Try to do it, guys, in that way. Okay. So, Michael, wonderful. Good morning. So then Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, we're still circling around the point of, we're still circling around our entry. The soft stop is really close to the current price right now because we have to cut a possible loss. And by the way, don't forget, if we will get out, then don't forget the re-entry because the trend is still valid. As long as the trend is still valid, we have to do a re-entry because a trend continuation, you know, 70%. If we get out, it doesn't mean that it now can happen in the future. Yeah. So just we have to realize if you're sitting in the wrong bus, we have to go out, but we have to stay at the bus station as long as we realize two different things. First thing, okay, the trend is broken, which means it's the wrong bus station. Yeah, then we have to do another one. Or if you realize the trend is still valid, then we have to take the next bus. So buy a new ticket. It means the cost. But don't forget to get in the next bus. Okay. So this is a picture you should take in your mind. You should keep in your mind. Guys, feel free to ask. I'm not the entertainer here. I kind of entertainer, guys, of course, but I'm quite sure you have questions in your mind. So feel free, type it in. I will do my best to show you and to answer your question on YouTube and on Zoom as well. Yeah. So, but if you say I'm happy with that, what I'm talking about, thanks, guys. I love you all around the world. Okay. Oh, guys, on Tuesday, we had our monthly meeting with our wonderful team, the Admirals team, with Paul, Jens, Anna, and Roman, and the best team ever. We had so much fun. I cannot describe it. It's so much fun. And we decided to make different things for you, to make it better, to become better for you. And of course, yesterday on Tuesday, we talked about it. When Corona once is kind of over, we will start with a road show. We make the hotels full, the rooms full. We invite you to join you, to entertain you, and to bring trading closer to you in your hometowns. And we will make a worldwide road show. I'm looking forward to see you in person. I'm really, really happy. It will take a little bit of time because this Corona is over, but the time will come, believe me, and it's gonna be awesome. I swear to God, we make a great, great show. Yeah. Okay, so Dinak, lovely greetings to India. Nice to meet you here. So what does 38.2 reversal mean on rule 3, please? That means if you are in a correction, so you measure the correction. So let me show you to use your Dauda, you use your Fibonacci. You start at the last correction point 3, you pull it up to the last point 2, and then you have a correction which we have to run deeper than 38%, statistically proven. Then the balance candle, and then you can open the trade in direction of the trend. That does rule number 3 means. So with Fibonacci, to measure the last move, that you see the correction is going deeper than 38. A correction which is not running deeper than 38 is not a proper correction. And does it mean we expect a divergence to the upper side and then a deeper correction? So therefore, that's the point. So Let's go to Euro Australian dollar. Yeah, if you are not in, guys, then you can open a trade again because we are circling around my entry. The rules still fit. 1, 2, 3, that's the fourth correction. It's fine because we are in the green zone or the beginning of the red zone. And here you realize at that moment why the price is so much struggling right there, because we have a high volume zone there, you see? So the price feels a kind of comfortable there. So, and the market says, you're fine with that price right now. We don't have to go back to the point of control right now. So let's trick the unexperienced people a little bit out. But basically, if you want to go in, you can open a trade at the same point, maybe a little bit kind of higher. So close to the last point too, because if the trend will go up, they will pick you up in the order book. Don't be afraid that they will leave you behind in the order book. That will never happen, believe me. And that's a promise, that's a kind of guarantee, yeah? So, okay, great. Next one, Euro Canadian dollar. Yeah, we got out. We got out. Yeah, it was a small loss, 74 euros. That's fine. It's a calculated loss. But this is now the situation what I'm talking about. Here you see this trend is still valid. Yeah, the trend will break below this rectangle here. If we have a close below that rectangle, then the trend is broken. As long as this is not happening, we wait for the next balance candle, and then we can make a re-entry. This is a need, this is a duty, because the rules still fit. And we have a lot of space to go up back to the point of control. Yeah, so still on the watch list, we move it to the watch list on the right side. Yeah, and then still watching, not touching right now, still watching. Okay. So you can watch it. We can talk about in the rest of the day on the Twitch room, in my live trading room. So let's go to Euro Swiss franc. So we are still here. Nothing happens. We are still on the way down to the point of control. So basically, we sold half of the position, so we are fine already. The purple line means our stop, the soft stop, is in profit. Nothing can happen. We cannot make a loss anymore. So there is no reason to intervene into that trade. Yeah, please be strong enough. How you can be strong enough? First, what's your real why you want to be a trader, and manage your money management. Cut it down, reduce it to a space, to an amount size where you feel comfortable, where you are not touched by the trade. This is your only chance to become successful on the long run, okay? Yeah, this is your Swiss franc in real resistance zone, Euro Australian, I mean, did you not have the stop under the last spike in your Canada? Did you moved it? I moved it already. I moved it already because we had a close. We had a close below my soft stop, so it's over. So the last running trade here in 4-hourly chart, this is British pound US dollar. And here we go. That's the point. So what can we expect from the rate decision today? So let's go back to the, where is it? It should be here. Okay, I cannot see here, but I'm quite sure we expect a rate decision. Let me check it, please. I'm quite sure we have it today. No, I'm wrong. I was wrong. It was my fault. Sorry for that. I guess they will come up next week. So doesn't matter. Let's have a look at the British pound. Here we go. And the rules still fit here, as you could see. That's really cool. So we reached and we sold half the position here, and now the trend is still running. Look at this one. It's still running. The purple line means that's the soft stop. Yeah. So, but we didn't have a close below the soft stop, which means there's no reason to intervene. So, and the point is now the price coming a little bit down. Maybe they're playing a little bit the rumors in about the rate decision coming next week, I guess. So, and what we have to do right now, nothing. The plan is really, really clear, guys. The plan means if we will have a clear close, not 1 pip in 4-hourly chart, not 2 pips, a clear close, yeah? A clear close below the purple line, then we trail the hard stop into the spike of that candle which triggered the soft stop, yeah? But we never go out manually. We always let the market decide what happens, yeah? Try do that. If you are in that trade with me, then try it. Try it this one time. Put it in your diary. Make a big poster maybe if you want. But do it in this one time that you can plant a seed in your mind, that you can do it more often in the future, and you will be surprised how often a trade or the market will turn and will go into your direction again, and you are not out. Try it. Just try it this one time, okay? So the weekly charts are still running. And here we go. We come to our day trading. So, and here now you can see we can delete the pending order because that's the current situation. We had yesterday a kind of downtrend, but this night the downtrend broke again. So actually we have a kind of uptrend, but now we see a 100% correction. And now the trend, yeah, it's a kind of broken right now, not exactly. So actually this is the trend. So, but I can delete my order, by the way. I can delete because I was speculating on a trend continuation to the upper side, yeah? So now I guess the trend will break. So which means we can draw a current downtrend right now. So we have to start at the highest point, movement, correction, next move is there, movement, correction, and now we are in the move. So the next correction, yeah, the next correction could be ours. Yeah, 1, 2, the third correction could be ours. Now rule number 3, if you will see now a kind of correction, let's see, from point 3 down to point 2 means now we need a correction up higher than 38%. And if this will happen, then we can set a pending order to a trend continuation to the lower side. Yeah, not yet, just watching, not touching right now. Okay. So on the 4-hourly chart on my watch list, US dollar Canadian, nothing to do. Euro New Zealand dollar, we said, wait, if we can cope that challenge of the volume zone, then the next back step, and then we can go up. So just on the watch list. Also Euro Canadian waiting for the next balance candle. New Zealand Swiss franc. Yeah, the price is going down again. So you see, I guess we can open a trade here. We can set the pending order. We can do it together. And you can show how I do that. So first of all, you open the mini terminal in MetaTrader 5. Then in this lot size, you push the string button and click the mouse. Then this display opens. And then you say, okay, where is my stop loss? Where I want to be? Where is my entry? So my entry is round about here. So, and my stop loss is at the last point 3, which is here, which means I have 194 pips. Yeah, 194 pips. And I want to risk, this is up to you. It's up to your comfort zone. Just this one. Yeah, it's fine. So I can risk 2% because then I risk in worst case 107.3 euros, but I never let the market run into my full hard stop because I work with the soft stop. So therefore I can risk 2%, which means it's completely in my comfort zone. So make sure that you use an amount where you are not touched by that trade, yeah, that you can follow the plan. So we can use this. So new order, pending order, stop sell. Then we said 0.1 millilot, it's fine. At the price where we want to go in at 0.6477, 0.6477. The stop loss is placed at 0.6625, 6646, 6646. And the target is point of control 684, 0.684. So place it and everything is fine. So now you can follow this trade if you want. And by the way, where is the soft stop? Soft stop is really close, kind of here. Yeah. So risk a little loss. Yeah. This is what I want to invest in this trading idea. Okay. So Japanese yen, you don't have to set, that's daily chart, by the way. You don't have to set a pending order there because the price today is going up. We have to wait for the next balance candle, but still on the watch list. Okay. So guys, I have a special question for you today. The question is, are you satisfied with me? No, that was a joke. Just kidding. And now we can open the poll today. So my question is, shall we add, we're waiting, shall we add hourly chart to our trading ideas for more trading ideas? Shall we add hourly chart for more trading ideas? So you have 3 answers. Yes, please. Oh, no, thanks. Or you say, I don't care, same, let everything like it is right now, keep going. So what do you think? So I would do that for you, okay? Because I have my Agena trader and I created a list there, and it's not for me that stressful. It's up to you, because I created here a day trading list in hourly chart and I get signals there. And if I have signals there, I can do it here as well. So the benefit is that we have quite more trades, by the way, but you have to follow, okay? If you decide to follow the hourly chart, yeah, then you must make sure that you can make every trade. You know, it's probability, really important. If you don't have time to catch any signal, yeah, then don't do it. But if you make sure that we can catch every signal, and it's not that much signals every day, of course not, because we follow the rules, you know, and then you can do that. And I guess, Anna, we have a clear answer, I guess. Okay, on YouTube as well. Okay, we have 71%. So guys, I miss five guys of you. Please push the button. Please push the button. I need all opinions of you. Yeah, this is completely anonymous, no problem. So push the button. Actually, we have a really clear answer. 72%, 69% says yes, please. We should hourly charge, add hourly charge for more trading ideas. So if you push the button for no thanks or let it go, yeah, then fine. Stay at, we keep going with 4 hourly charts, by the way. Yeah, we keep going with 4 hourly chart, daily chart in indices, and in weekly chart, the exotic pairs. We keep going with that diversification. Yeah, but I want to know from you if you're interested to have more trading ideas based on our rules, by the way. so we can add hourly chart. And we have a clear answer. So again, guys, I will do that for you, okay? It means more stress for me, but I will do that for you because I want that you become successful and can make money in the market in the long run. So, and which means it could be a good idea every morning. Now you have to follow the show every morning, that you cannot miss, that you will never miss a signal. And by the way, if you want, you can be a member of my live trading room on Twitch, Dow How Trader. It's free of charge, by the way. You can say it's a good idea, then it's my reward. And then you will see what I'm doing there. Okay, so guys, that's really, really cool. So now you made a trade in New Zealand Swiss franc, and we got already one in Euro Swiss franc. How many trades you make usually with one currency? I don't care about that. I don't care about that. If the rules are there, I make the trade. Or is the only thing what is important that the rules occur? Of course, yeah, Danny, the only rules, yeah. So, because there's a difference between New Zealand dollar and euro. They're completely different, yeah. I know the Swiss franc is included, but it's a kind of cluster risk, I know that, but the rules are my overall topic, yeah. So, and I follow the rules and not the other thing. So for in best case, both are running in my direction. That's cool. And in worst case, both are running not for me. But for that, I have my soft stop. And this is really cool. Okay. So most important thing, I know, so kind of topics are taught in online. And so, be aware of the cluster risk and so on, and correlation, so on. That's everything fine. That's everything cool. But by the way, at the end, we are private traders. We shouldn't care about those things. Follow the rules, follow your plan, and manage your money management. That's all you have to do. And then you have a big chance to become successful on the long run. Okay? So guys, thanks to you. I want to say thanks for that show today. So we have a clear answer. By the way, that means we will start with hourly chart today, and I will prepare it for you tomorrow morning. So follow the show tomorrow, 8:30 again, and we will have fun together in this show. I want to say thank you for joining. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the sun wherever you are, and have courage and be kind. And always, may the force of the rules be with you. See you guys. Bye-bye.